In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple CRM in Notion. A CRM, or Customer Relationship Manager, helps you track contacts, deals, and interactions in one organized place. Notion makes this easy by offering ready-made templates you can drop right into your workspace so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Start by opening your web browser and heading to notion.com. If you already use Notion, click Login to access your account. If you're already signed in, you may see an option to launch Notion and jump straight into your workspace. Either way, once you're in, make sure you're viewing the workspace where you want your CRM to live. If you have more than one workspace, you can switch at the top left to keep things organized. Next, create a fresh spot for your CRM. On the left-hand sidebar, click Create New Page. This gives you a clean canvas to start from. You can add a title to keep things clear, something like Simple CRM, so you'll always find it easily later. Now let's pull in a template to do the heavy lifting. On the new page, look for templates. Depending on your version of Notion, it might also appear as Marketplace. Click it to open the template gallery. This is where Notion offers a variety of pre-built setups for different use cases. Use the search bar and type CRM. You'll see a list of options designed for tracking leads, managing sales pipelines, or organizing customer information. Take a moment to browse the available templates. Click into any template to preview how it looks, including the databases, properties, and views it includes. Each preview typically shows example entries and a short description so you can quickly understand how it works. Choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're managing a simple contact list, a lightweight CRM with basic fields like name, company, status, and notes may be perfect. If you need more structure for deals and stages, look for a template that includes a pipeline view, tags, and timeline or board layouts. Pick based on how you plan to work, not just how it looks. Clarity and simplicity usually win. Once you've found a template that suits you, click Add. Notion will insert the template into your new page and set everything up automatically. From there, you can start exploring the views, sample entries, and properties to understand how the system flows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.